Good morning, my little flowers. How are you all? Good morning, my little gems. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive, eat and drink healthy food and fruit also. Good morning, my little flowers. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and healthy. Wow, today is a sunny day. So stay at home. Take care of yourself. Eat, drink, and eat healthy food and fruit also. Do exercise daily. Stay fit and stay happy. Now let's start with work. Today we learn about the alphabets. Today we learn about the alphabets A to L. A to L with some pictures and with our flashcards and with some of activities with our sand and some balls. Are you ready for it? Okay. Let's start our alphabets with first alphabet A. Apple. Here is a flashcard. Look at here. Which picture on this flashcard? Apple. A. Lowercase a. We done small alphabets A. Apple. And X. Okay. Now we done the second activity. We write on the sand. We write on the sand with a pen, pencil or wood or earbud also. Okay, write here. Start writing. Make a curve first. Like this. Okay, now make a standing line. Like this. Now this and this are same. Look at here. This and this are same. Now we do the next activity. Look at here. We use colorful balls to make the letter A. To make the letter A. Make a curve first. Make a curve first. Very good. And now a standing line. Now make a standing line. Yes, very good. Here it is. Very nice. Now look at here. This one A and this one A is same. Yes, very nice. But we write A. Now next letter is B. Next letter is B. Next letter is B. Lowercase b. Now I take first flashcard B. B, ball. B, ball. Now I take some pictures. Look at here on the pictures. B, ball. B, bag. B, bread. B, bag. B, bread. Very nice. Now we write on the sand. Take your pencil and write on the sand. Firstly, make a standing line. Good. Now make a curve. Yes. Now look at here. This B and this B are same. Yes, very nice. Now we do the next activity with balls. Okay. Make a standing line first with ball. Now make a curve. like this. What we make here? B. B, ball. Very nice. Now next alphabet. What we do now? Write the next alphabet. What is the next alphabet? What come after B? Next letter is C. Next letter is C. Here is C. And here is, look at the picture, C, car. C, car. I take some pictures of C. Look at here. Which picture is this? C, candle and C, cake. I know you all love the cake. Okay. Now, which alphabet we are doing? C. C, car. C, candle. C, cake. Now, we write on the sand. We write on the sand. Make a curve. Look at here. It's the C, curve. Look at here. This one is like this picture. Yes, C, car. C, candle. C, cake. Now do with the next activity. With the ball, make a curve with a ball. Look at here. Which alphabet is this now? C, car. Look at here. C, car. C, candle. C, cake. Okay. What come next? C. What come next? C, D. What come next? C, D. Here I take the alphabet D. D, the dog. Here is a picture of dog. D, the dog. I take some pictures. Look at here. Which picture is this? D, the deer. And here is D, the drums. D, the dog. D, the deer. D, the drum. Okay, now write on the sand. Firstly, make a standing line and then curve it in our left side. जब हम B लिखते हैं तो वो कौन सी साइड पे आता है? हमारी राइट साइड पे. और जब हम लोग D लिखते हैं तो वो हमारी कौन सी साइड पर आता है? हमारी लेफ्ट साइड पर. मेक अ स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड देन अ कर्व इन लेफ्ट साइड. ओके, व्हाट वी मेक? D. Look at here. Look at this picture. D. Now we write with next activity with balls. Make a standing line first. Okay, then make a curve. Like this. Which letter is this? D. Look at here. D. D, the duck. D, the drum. Okay. Which alphabet is next now? E. E. E, a elephant. E, a elephant. Now I take some more pictures. Look at here. I take some more pictures of E, a. Look at here now. E, a elephant. E, a eggs. E, a engine. E, a elephant. E, a egg. E, a engine. Now write on the sand. Firstly, make a sleeping line and curve it. Yes, make a sleeping line and then curve it. Okay, now look at here this picture. A elephant. A elephant. Now done with next activity with our balls. Firstly, make a sleeping line and then make a curve. What we write? Elephant. Look at here. Elephant. Look at here. This is elephant. Okay. Now next picture is, next alphabet is F. Next alphabet is F. F for fish. F for fish. Now I take some pictures of F. Look at here. F for fish. F for fan. F for fruits. F. What is the phonetic sound of F? F. What is the phonetic sound of F? F. अभी तक हमने जितने भी अल्फ़ाबेट्स किए हैं उन सब के आपको साथ साथ में फोनेटिक साउंड्स भी आने चाहिए. हमने ए किया, ए बी ब, सी क, डी ड, ई एफ फॉर फिश, एफ फॉर फैन, एफ फॉर फ्रूट. वेरी नाइस. नाउ राइट ऑन द सैंड. Take your pencil, make a curve and then a standing line. Make a curve and then a standing line, and in a middle a sleeping line. Look at here. Make a curve and then a standing line, and in a middle a sleeping line. Here is F. Look at here. Here is F. Here is F. F. Now write with balls. Firstly, what we do? Make a curve. Then a standing line. Make a curve, then a standing line. Yes, very good. Now in between a sleeping line. A small sleeping line. F. Which letter is this now? F. F for fish. F for fish. What come after F? G. What come after F? G. What is the phonetic sound of G? G. What is the phonetic sound of G? G. 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 Grapes. G. G. Grapes. Now I take some pictures of G. 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 Grapes. G. G. Glass. G. G. Gift. जब आपका बर्थडे होता है तो आपको गिफ्ट्स मिलते हैं ना, तो वो कौन से अल्फ़ाबेट से स्टार्ट होते हैं? G. 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 Grapes. G. G. Glass. G. G. Gift. Very good. Now we write on the sand. Take your pencil and write on the sand. Make a curve first. Make a half circle first. Make a half circle like C. Yes. Now a standing line. Good. And then curve it. G. Look at here. Like this picture, it's a G. Which letter is this? G. Now with the balls, firstly we make half circle. What we make? A half circle. Okay, then make a standing line. then make a standing line. Good. And then curve it. Look at here, G. Which letter is this? G. Look at here, G. Which letter is this? G. Now next letter is H. Next letter is H. H. What is the phonetic sound of H? H. H, H, hen. I take some pictures of sound with sound H. H, H, hen. H, H, horse. H, H, hat. Look at here. H. H, H, hen. H, H, horse. H, H, hat. What is the phonetic sound of H? H. Very good. Now write on the H, H, hat. H, H, horse. H, H, hen. Write on the sand. Look at here. Firstly, make a standing line. Firstly, make a standing line. Then in the middle. Then in the middle, make a curve like this. Okay. What is this? H. H, H, hut. H, H, hen. H, H, horse. Now write with the balls. Firstly, we make a standing line. Firstly, we make a standing line like this. Then a curve from the middle. Then make a curve from the middle. Look at here. Which letter is this? H. Look at here. H. Which letter is this? H. 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 Horse. H. H. Hen. H. H. Hat. Very nice. What is the phonetic sound of H? H. What is the phonetic sound of H? H. Now, what comes next? You know it? I. E. Ink pot. I. E. Ink pot. Which is the next letter? I. E. Ink pot. What is the phonetic sound of I? E. Ink pot. I take some pictures. Look at here. I. E. Igloo. I. E. Insect. I. E. Ink pot. I. E. Igloo. I. E. Insect. Now write on the sand. Take your pencil and write on the sand. It's so much easy. Just a small standing line and put a dot on it. And put a dot on it. Look at here. Like this. I. A standing line and then a dot. I. E. Igloo. I. E. Ink pot. I. E. Iguana. Now write with next activity. Write with balls. Make a small standing line and then make a dot like this. Look at here. I. E. Igloo. I. E. Iguana. I. E. Ink pot. Okay, what is the next letter? J. What is the next letter? J. What is the phonetic sound of J? J. What is the phonetic sound of J? J. J. Joker. I take some pictures of J. Look at here. J. Joker. J. Jug. J. Jar. Sorry. J. Joker. J. Jar. J. Jug. Here it is jug. J. Jug. J. Jug. J. Jar. J. Joker. Now write on the sand. Now write on the sand. Firstly, make a standing line and then curve it in our left side. Make a standing line and make it curve in our left side and make a dot like I and make a dot like I. Here is a J. Which letter is this? J. Look at here. J. 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 Jug. Now we write with our balls. Make a standing line and then curve it. Very nice. Look at here, J. Look at here, J. Very nice. Now, what is the next letter? Next letter is, what come after J? K. What come after J? K. Now, I take a picture of K. Alphabet K. K, K, kite. Look at here. What is the phonetic sound of K? K. K, K, kite. K, K, keyring. K, K, kettle. K, K, kite. K, K, keyring. K, K, kettle. Very good. Now write on the sand. Firstly, make a standing line. Very good. Now a slanting line up, a slanting line down, a slanting line up, a slanting line down. Okay. Then make it here on the with the balls. Yes, make a standing line first and then a slanting lines. Slanting line up and slanting line down. Look at here. Which alphabet is this now? K. K, K, kite. K, K, king. Okay. Now, which is, next letter is L. Next letter is L. I take the picture of L. 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 What is the phonetic sound of L? Now tell me, what is the phonetic sound of L? L. What is the phonetic sound of L? L. L, L, lion. I take some pictures. L, L, lock. L, L, leaf. L, L. L, L, lion. L, L, lock. L, L, leaf. Now write on the sand. Make a standing line and a small curve like this. Look at here. L. A standing line and a small curve. Now write with the next activity with the balls. Make a standing line first. Very good. Now make a small curve. Which letter is this now? L. Now we write all alphabets in a sheet one by one. Okay, look at here to all of you. Firstly, we write the alphabet A. We write the alphabet A on a paper. Look at here all of you. What we do today? Make a curve and then a standing line. A. Which letter is this? A. What is the phonetic sound of A? A. Okay? Okay. Now, next letter is B. A standing line, then a curve. B. What is the phonetic sound of B? B. What is the phonetic sound of B? B. Okay. Now, next. What comes next? C. A half circle or a curve. What is the phonetic sound of C? Curve. What is the phonetic sound of C? Curve. Curve. Now, what is the next letter? D. What is the next letter? D. Make a standing line first and make a curve. Yes, make a curve in our left side. What is the phonetic sound of D? D. What is the phonetic sound of D? D. Okay. Now, next letter is E. What is the next letter? E. Make a slipping line and a curve. Make a slipping line and a curve. What is the phonetic sound of E? A. E. A. Now, next letter is F. How to write F? Make a curve and then a standing line. Make a curve and a standing line and put a sleeping line in between put a sleeping line in between. What is the phonetic sound of F? F. What is the phonetic sound of F? F. Very nice. Now next G. What is the next letter? G. Make a curve or a half circle like this and then a standing line and a curve. What we make? G. What is the phonetic sound of G? G. What is the phonetic sound of G? G. Okay. Now next letter is H. What we write? H. A standing line and then in between a curve. H. What is the phonetic sound of H? H. What is the phonetic sound of H? H. Very nice. Now next letter is I. Next letter is I. A standing line. Make a standing line and dot. Make a standing line and a dot. What is this? Which letter is this? E. I. E. And what is the phonetic sound of I? E. E. Now next letter is J. 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 Jug. How to write? Make a standing line and then a curve. Make a standing line and curve and put a dot. What is the phonetic sound of J? J. What is the phonetic sound of J? J. Very nice. Now next letter is K. Make a standing line first and up slanting line, down slanting line. Make a standing line, slanting line up, slanting line down. What is the phonetic sound of K? K. K. Now next letter is L. 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 How to write L? Make a standing line, a small curve. A standing line and then a small curve. What is the phonetic sound of L? L. 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 आज हमने क्या किया बच्चों? आज हमने A to L तक के सभी फोनेटिक साउंड विद पिक्चर्स रिकॉग्नाइज किए और उनको लिखना सीखा ऑन द सैंड और विद द बॉल्स. आई थिंक आपको, मुझे लगता है और आशा है कि आप सबको समझ में आया होगा कि हमने ये कैसे लिखना है. तो आप सब भी इस छोटी सी एक्टिविटी कीजिए विद द सैंड एंड विद द बॉल्स. आप सैंड की जगह पे कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, आप आटा ले सकते हैं या आपको बाहर से कहीं से मिट्टी मिल जाएगा, उस पर भी आप लिखना सीख सकते हैं. और बॉल्स की जगह आप बटन्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं या फिर पेबल्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. उससे मिलकर आप इसे बना सकते हैं और इस एक्टिविटी को कर सकते हैं. और मेन चीज़ आपने क्या करना है, अपनी नोटबुक पर आपने इस तरह से लेटर्स को लिखना है विद द फोनेटिक साउंड्स. Okay then, all of you take care of yourself. Bye to all of you. Thank you.